It's interesting. I find myself getting emotional because this may be like a bad thought, and I don't know if it's good or bad, but the one thing that I can kind of think of that is bizarrely comforting is not so much about Kobe, but this may sound, maybe this is an asshole thought, but I think it must have been nice for his daughter that he was in the helicopter when it was going down, because I can just think about yeah, like I can think about, I'm glad he was this is gonna sound bizarre, but for the sake of his daughter, like I'm glad he was in the copter, you know, because I can't imagine one of my kids going through that, and like I would want to be there even if I die. I would want to be there. That's unexpected, chat, but anyway, it's a weird thought, right?
Spang, thanks for the 200 Prime. Totally fine.
Oh, we shouldn't buy that.
Alright, I don't want ED Indian anymore. I no longer want ED Indian. That was sounding good until that guy coughed. And I'm out. Jesus Christ, dude. I mean, at least I give him credit. He tried to cover his mouth. Does he need a mask? Yeah.
Is that evenly spread, mate? Should we put chocolate chips in there?
No.
Yeah, it'll be PogChamp. No, we.
Watch this lose me my promos because it went through and the client didn't say that it went through. And then I just dodge. I swear if it says I lost my promos, I'm getting off.
She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? It does. Certified freak hoe, hang around dust and she learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym trying.
Thank you, Google. Hey Google, thank you.
My pleasure.
Hey Google, 100% volume, please. Hey Google, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey Google, you're welcome.
How extremely polite of you.
I know. Hey Google, how extremely polite of you. Thank you.
I don't. Can someone explain to me? I don't get this. Why is this so interesting to people? 36,000 upvotes. What does this? Can someone explain to me why this is so interesting? Okay. He needs to be transported. He has the virus. It's fake. Wait, is it something funny this time? Deja vu, I have been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it. Okay, there we go.
Christ. That's gotta be bannable, right? That one has to be bannable. I'm pretty sure she had it. I can't. Someone is getting changed here. What is going on in this scene? They are. Yeah. What the fuck? That's illegal! That was illegal! What the fuck? How is that up there? What the actual fuck? No! What the fuck? Twitch! Twitch! It's a sex, dude!
The money in the life is hard with money. I'm working. I'm working in the street and it's fucking hard. And when me receive this money, this support my channel, you support me or my mom for me. It's crazy, man. The life no is easy. The life is fucking hard, and I understand what people fucking hard explain to me this.